When you think of a tiny baby, you probably aren't thinking about their speech and language skills. In fact, you're probably just imagining a lot of screaming and crying. But the first year of life is a critical period for language acquisition, and early exposure to language is essential for building the foundation for future communication skills. Effective communication is the cornerstone for building relationships, expressing emotions and needs, and participating in social and academic settings. It's one of the most important things we ever learn, and it begins from the moment of birth. So although your baby likely won't start talking until their first birthday, there's a lot you can do to help get them to that point. My name is Rosie Nicholson, and I am a consultant speech and language therapist with a master's degree and over 20 years of experience. I have extensive experience helping both adults and children, having previously trained and worked in the United States, specializing in stammering. For the NHS, I was a speech therapy lead for 2 London boroughs and then set up in private practice some 7 years ago. My clinic is called Speech Therapy South London, based in Clapham, where I run a team of skilled speech therapists. I am one of the only prompt certified speech therapists in the UK, making me a specialist in a unique evidence-based speech therapy approach, which uses tactile kinesthetic cues to prompt the movement of the jaw, lips, and tongue, which are fundamental for communication. I use a holistic, evidence-based approach and apply a dynamic systems theory in my assessment and treatment of children and adults for any speech, language, or communication difficulties. In this journey, we'll be covering the earliest stages of language acquisition, from birth to the emergence of first words. We'll explore the various ways in which infants communicate, including crying, cooing, and gestures, and the typical milestones of early speech and language development, including the progression from babbling to words. We'll also learn the role of caregivers in promoting language acquisitions in infants and potential warning signs of language delays or disorders. By recognizing and addressing potential issues early on, you can provide your baby with the best chance for success and help them reach their full potential. By the end of this journey, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the complexities of speech and language development in infants, and be equipped with the tools and know-how to support healthy language acquisition across the first year of life. So whenever you're ready to begin, head over to the first episode now.